everyone! If you are producing thick sauces like mayonnaise, salad dressing, or tomato paste, you know how difficult it is to fill them accurately. Today, let me show you the perfect solution, our automatic piston filling machine. Mayonnaise is heavy and viscous. That's why we use this piston system. See these piston materials tank? The servo motor actuates the piston, enabling accurate dosing via reciprocating motion. For food products, Hygiene is priority number 1. The whole machine is made of food-grade stainless steel 304 or 316. Look at this top tank. Usually, we equip it with a mixing system inside. It keeps your mayonnaise uniform and prevents oil separation before filling. Here is a very important detail, the filling nozzles. We use a special shut-off nozzle design. Even though the machine is stopped now, in actual production, this design cuts off the flow instantly to prevent dripping. No messy bottles, no waste. Worried about cleaning? Look at these quick-release clamps connecting the pipes. You don't need any screwdrivers. Your operators can disassemble the parts easily for daily washing. It's designed to be tool-free. Everything is controlled by this touch screen. You can easily adjust the filling volume and speed right here. Stable, hygienic, and efficient. This is the machine your factory needs.